Good morning, kindergartners. Miss Klein here with Sonday Lesson 147. Holy cow, we are getting close to the end. We are going to start today with reading words. These are words that we've been practicing for a little while now, so they should be easy to read. Remember, you can sound them out with your touch spelling and using your fingers. Here we go. Oops, I accidentally paused it. So now here we go. Read words. C-A-B, cab. L-A-B, lab. T-A-B, tab. D-A-B, dab. It looks like these all belong in the ab word family. We're going to speed it up a little bit. Nab, gab. Switching it up. Cap, tan, cat, hat. Brings me back to a book that I'm sure we've all read. Had, lag. Lad, bag. Pan, wrap. Ham, map. Fat, sat. Jam, am. At, ram. Cab, an. Now get your piece of paper and your pencil or pen or marker, whatever you have that you're going to write with, and we are going to spell some words. So I'm going to read you the word and I'll write it on my paper and I'll show you in the screen. Are you ready? Okay. The word is cab. K-A-B. Remember, you can spell it out. K-A-B. There are 3 sounds you should be writing. There it is. Let's do lab. L-A-B. Lab. And another one, dab. D-A-B. Make sure your B's and D's are going the right way. You can tell that these are all part of the same word family, the ab word family. I have one more that fits in that family, tab. T-A-B. Tab. That also fits in the ab word family. Now, some review words. Are you ready? Had. H-A-D. Had. Nap. N-A-P. Nap. Tan. T-A-N. Tan. And fan. F-A-N. Fan. The last thing that we're going to do for Sonday today before you start your worksheet is I'm introducing, it says new material, but we're such smart kindergartners. This isn't really new. This is a sight word. Can you believe they're just talking about this new sight word right now? And we've known this one pretty much all year. It looks like the letter A, but how do we say it? Like I drive a car. Or a truck makes lots of noise. Can you, for me, on your paper, write a sentence with the word, the sight word, in it? And then I want you to underline or circle your word. I'm going to show you mine. My sentence says, I got a toy. Can you spy my sight word a? It's right here. So I circled it. Can you write a sentence with the sight word a in it? Don't forget, sentences start with a capital letter and they end with a, I can't point to it, period. Right there. Mine's kind of small. Maybe I'll make it a little bigger. They end with a period. So go ahead and write us a sentence too with the sight word a. Now I'm going to take you through your worksheet. It's kind of a tricky one. I'm going to load this pen here so I can draw on my screen. Here we go. There's our epic pen. So this part we already know how to do. It says fill in the blanks with the lowercase letters. So after R comes, boy, I have to think about that. QRSTUV. Fill in those blanks all the way to Z. Then here it says find the words that end with the underlined sound. Write the words. So in this list, you're going to write down the at words. Oops. So look in this bank of words for all the ones that have at. Here's one, at, sat. So then here, it's hard to write with this pen. I would write the word sat, and then I can cross that one off because I know I already used it. In this row, you're going to write the words that end with ab. In this row, you're going to write the words that end with ad. Then you're going to come down here and you're going to look at this group of words to fill in these boxes or these lines. Under here, you're going to do app words, then ag words, then am words. Okay? It's kind of tricky, but I think you guys can do it because you're super smart kindergartners. And that is all I have for you right now. So I will see you next time. Bye.